Good evening and welcome to the session number 19 from the playlist of basic mathematics for the NEET preparation. The topic is the application of differentiation in physics, and today I have taken one question for this session, which is taken from the chapter of motion in a straight line. So this is the question which you will find in the chapter of motion in a straight line in physics. But here, in order to solve this question, we will be using the concept of differentiation. So here there is a question in which a particle's displacement is given by this equation, that is S is equal to 2t square minus 8t plus 4. So S here is what? It is the displacement in meters and t is the time in seconds. So now we have to find its velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds. Now in this case, the displacement S is equal to 2t square minus 8t plus 4. Now what is velocity? This is the rate of change of displacement. So velocity is also written as ds upon dt. So simply what we will do here is that we will differentiate this function with respect to t. So by differentiating this function with respect to t, if I differentiate 2t square, this will be equal to 4t, and if I differentiate 8t, this will be equal to 8, and the differentiation of a constant is 0. Now this is the instantaneous velocity of this particle. Instantaneous means that the velocity of this particle is continuously varying with time. If at t is equal to 1 second, this will be equal to 4 into 1 minus 8. At t is equal to 2 seconds, it will be 4 into 2 minus 8. At t is equal to 3 seconds, it will be 4 into 3 minus 8, and so on. So we have to find its velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds. So the velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds, this will be equal to 4 into 2 minus 8, which is equal to 0. So at t is equal to 2 seconds, the velocity of the particle will be equal to 0. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, we will be continuing with the same topic of differentiation. But in the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question, which is or which can be asked in the forthcoming NEET examination. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.